Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am holding a great phone case that I just got from FireNova. I've been using it for about 2 weeks and I'm really loving all of the great features of the kit that you can get when you order this phone case. So this comes with the phone case, which also has a nice silicone backing that will cover your camera lenses as well. So that's a great feature to know that it's going to keep everything safe should you drop your phone. The kit also includes several glass screen protectors and all of the equipment that you need to change out your screen protector. So you can easily put it on without difficulties. It has a guide as well as the cloths that you need. They also included a couple of stickers and a beautiful thank you note to express appreciation for buying their product. I'm very pleasantly surprised by the phone case. It was a very cost-effective price, but it really protects the phone really well. I like the silicone of this phone case because it's really easy not only to find in my purse, but when you're holding on to it, it grips really well in your hand. The inside has their logo as well as a nice felt protection. So should you get any kind of sand in the case when you put it on, you know that it will not scratch your phone at all. This is a great kit and a way to cover and protect your device, and it also has all of the really special details inside that will make you really happy that you purchased this case. And that's my point of view.